Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nugget Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing Culture Carton. If you are not new to my channel, you know about this box. If you are, this is a monthly subscription box for men. Each package contains a themed assortment of lifestyle items and one essential book for every man's collection, or woman's, because I love this box personally. This is the standard box. I do have a coupon code for 20% off your first box. It is TREE all caps. This is $45 plus shipping. You can also opt for just the lifestyle items for $35 plus shipping, or just the book for $16. The coupon code is only good on the standard box, though, to keep that in mind. All right, so let's find out what's in here. I will also link down below to my full review, and I will link to Culture Carton. You guys know that. You know that. It's like 60 degrees in Pennsylvania today. So weird, but I'll take it. Not arguing, just it's odd. All right, so here's our inserts. You have right here on the top their card. Just tells you about sharing it on social media and whatnot. And then this is the Bombfell box. So this is for the month of, I don't know, I'm thinking this is the December box. But it does tell you each of the items in the box, and then it gives you the retail values, which is really nice. It helps you to really like see the value in something. All right, so we're just gonna pop everything out, and then we'll look at the prices at the end. And then if you're interested in seeing everything in kind of in motion or whatnot, I will link to that down below. All right, so first up we have a tie. This is from Lord of Ties by Petals. And it is just a very standard striking power tie, I guess, red and blue striped. So this is the Bombfell. I don't know if that has to do with the book, or we'll just read the little description here. This month's box is going to bring a fresh dash of style to start your new year off right. Oh, so it's a January box. First, a wonderful tie from Lord of Ties to add a classic dash of color to your wardrobe. Next, from King and Portland. Oh, it's a style. It's like a New Year style box. Got it. Getcha. All right, so these are the King Portland socks. These are exclusive socks. Oh, they have a sock subscription. Woo, that was hard to say. These were designed in Toronto, and you guys know Toronto, when we visited Toronto, was my favorite city I've ever been to. I just fell in love. So it has a special place in my heart. All right, so there's socks, there's a tie, and this looks like a pocket square. Ooh, look at this fabric. Can you see this? I actually use, I love this. Who makes this? This is gorgeous. Gentleman Collective. Oh, they're also from Canada. Oh, we received it no, that's a different company. I've never heard of this company, actually. So here it is. Look at this beautiful, it's like kind of got a texture. It's like jacquard. Is that right? I don't even know if that's right, but that's what popped into my head. And then the edges, look at the stitching. It is beautiful. It's stunning. I love it. All right, so finally, okay, our last item is our book, and this is John Bombfell's The Sea. This was a national bestseller and winner of the Man Booker Prize, so that's pretty cool. I've never heard of this, and I've never read it, so that's always a good thing. Let's go ahead and look at our retail prices. All right, so The Sea by John Bombfell is $16. This silk tie is $55. The pocket square is $18. The lapel, ooh, there's a lapel pin somewhere that I missed. Uh-oh. Did I not get one? Oh no. Oh no. Or is it on something and I don't realize it? I'm gonna have to look. Anyway, there is supposed to be a lapel pin. Maybe it's on the no. Huh. All right, so there is supposed to be a lapel pin, and that is $15. And then there is the socks, which are $12. The lapel pin would have come from this same company. I don't think I got one. That's a bummer. So the total value of the box would be $116, and then I received $101. Still a deal. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Culture Carton so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.